So this is our kitchen, so I'll show you guys the view. You can see a little bit of the skyscraper of Philadelphia, and you can see a lot of the gorgeous University City. And this is our kitchen. We have an oven and a stove, just like what we don't have in our dorms. And then over here we have our lounge with the prettiest view of Philly. I love this so much. I can never get tired of this. You can see the museum over there and just a whole overview of the skyscraper and the city. It is beyond gorgeous. So welcome to my dorm. So this is like the main entrance and like the front door. And then here is our little kitchen. It just has some cabinets and drawers, you know, the basics, our fridge, and then it leads right into our living room. So this is just a overview with, of course, fairy lights. And over here is my chair. Then I have my little cart in the corner, and this just has all my bulky winter jackets and an umbrella, and yeah, and then that is our window, and it has the most gorgeous view of University City, and you can honestly see, if you kind of tilt your head the right angle, as you guys can see here, you can see a really pretty view of the skyscraper of Philly, and I just love it. Making our way over here, to my right is a bathroom with just a shower, and I will show you guys. So it is literally just a shower. We have two bathrooms, but this is just a shower, and the other one has a toilet in it, and then a little sink area, and then in here is the second bathroom, and that has a shower. And that is where I shower, and then it is just like that, and it has a toilet and a sink. So as you can see, over here is room A, and here is room B. So this is a suite style dorm, and I am in room A, so this is my room. So when you first enter my room, this is my side. I got this little alien thing at the fair yesterday, but I have my desk, which has a lot of Polaroids, and I'll start with the walls. So basically I have Audrey, some posters, those are all Polaroids, all just pictures of my friends and stuff, and then these are all YouTubers, more Audrey Hepburn, and then this is a to-do list. This really saves me, and I just write down whatever I have to get done. I have a Polaroid of me and my friends. Startup Fest was this entrepreneurship event. I have my alarm clock on here, and I put it this way so that like when I wake up I can see it, and when I'm about to leave I can see it. I got this from the fair as well. This lamp I barely ever use. It is from Home Goods. My friend got me a very early birthday gift, so we took more Polaroids this weekend. I have a bunch here, and then I have more Polaroids here. And then this is my closet, and I have this little hook thing. It was here originally, but it's just really helpful to lay out my outfits. And then I have a command hook over there for my coat, and more Polaroids, so yeah. And then this is an overview of my bed. Now that it got hotter, I just have like different kinds of blankets. Sometimes I'll just sleep on top of this with this. It just varies. I have a lot of pillows. And then over in this little corner, I have a power strip as well. And I just plugged in my fridge and stuff. And then this outlet is from Five Below. And it's really cool because I can charge my laptop, my phone, and then even like my portable charger or something. And then I have an outlet here, and then two behind my fan, and here, and then under my bed I used to have two like white drawers in which I would keep just like extra food, but now that it is the end of the year I just took that away. So in here I just have a lot of little backpacks in here I have all my shoes, laundry, a suitcase. Back of there is like extra plates and stuff, and then my backpack, and of course my little step stool. And yeah, then I have my mini fridge, my microwave, this lamp of mine, which honestly kind of makes the room very warm. And then this Polaroid thing is really cool, you guys, because it lights up. I love it so much. And yeah, so now I'll show you a little more into my desk. So it has one light on there, this one, and then this mirror lights up as well. And then I have a power strip right here, and my laptop is charging. I have my little backpack. This one I carry everywhere. In here is just extra supplies. It's a fake book, and it's hollow, so inside it has just extra stuff. Here's little extra supplies. It's just random extra junk but kind of necessary. And here was like my last term's worth of stuff, and then current term, and like all my textbooks are right here and here. More Polaroids. This little thing I think was from Home Goods too. It just has pens, pencils. I have tape. I really like that one. It has a little stiletto. And then this drawer is from Home Goods. Basically, to sum it up, in here are my contacts, and then I have hair products, makeup, and I can do a makeup kind of collection for my dorm if you guys want me to. I have jewelry in that blue Charming Charlie's bin, and then a bunch of like perfume. So that is my desk area. This is where I just get ready every day. Honestly, I've maybe studied here a couple times. I usually go down to a different building, and I just have to show you guys the view. That's gorgeous. And you can see the city. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is my closet. Up here I have like extra shampoos, cleaning supplies in the back, and then like all of my body products like shampoos, conditioners, stuff like that. And then my shower caddy, extra cleaning supplies. This hanger just would never fit here. And all my clothes are for the majority color coded. And yeah, and here's my Polaroid. And then back here I have this little thing that has like my blow dryer, my flat iron, and yeah. And then that is my entire closet. And then in these drawers, in this drawer I have like all my pants and sweatpants and stuff. And then in here, this is like a medical bag. These are like all my undergarments. I usually leave my socks out like this because I like to throw this on. And then extra contacts. I just picked up a new prescription, so that's why I have my like 6-month supply. And then I have this full-length mirror, which is really awesome. Here I have just extra towels and I think like an extra bed sheet. That is my dorm room, you guys. It's honestly what you make of it. It was very bland in the beginning,